Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the size guide on the SHEIN application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the shop icon and select the category at the top of the screen or from the top. After that, scroll down and you are going to see many subcategories as well. So click on the relevant one that interests you. Now you can narrow down your search if you want to, but the thing is that you need to select a product that you are interested in. So click on the relevant one. After that, scroll down till you find this size guide section in the middle, so click on it. And then you are going to see that there is a product measurements chart here with a body measurement section as well. Here you get instructions how to measure your body, and there's also this fit type and stretch scale that will help you to locate your size. So you can also select the unit of measurement, such as centimeter or inch, and you can also select your local size here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.